Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. In today's video, we're diving into the most insane and exciting leaks surrounding the upcoming Apple iPhone 17 series, which is expected to debut during the week of September 8, 2025, with the launch event likely taking place on September 9, based on numerous credible sources, including industry insider Mark Gurman. We're now closer than ever to the unveiling of Apple's next-generation smartphone lineup. And the hype is totally justified. The iPhone 17 lineup promises dramatic design shifts, major performance gains, and color choices we've been dreaming about for years. First and foremost, let's talk about the new iPhone 17 Pro colors, which include a dark blue hue that gives off strong Pacific blue vibes from the iPhone 12 Pro, and more notably, a stunning copper orange color, which many believe will be marketed as a premium, copper finish. This color has been long rumored since the iPhone 14 Pro but never materialized. Now, it appears to finally be happening. The copper shade stands out with its bold, sophisticated aesthetic and will likely become the most talked about iPhone color in recent years. Moving on, we have an anti-reflective and scratch-resistant display update for the iPhone 17 Pro models. After years of speculation, it seems Apple has managed to secure enough components to finally include this premium display tech in its Pro lineup. The new display coating is designed to reduce glare under bright light while being more resistant to scratches, something iPhone users have desired for a long time, especially when compared to devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which already features this type of high-performance display. Third, wireless charging is getting a serious power upgrade. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to support 25W wireless charging through third-party Qi 2.2 compatible chargers, a big improvement over Apple's proprietary MagSafe puck, which most users find inconvenient. This move signals Apple's shift toward embracing more open and faster wireless standards, and rumors suggest this could pave the way for 50W wireless charging in the near future. In the fourth leak, the iPhone 17 Air model is rumored to receive a titanium frame, which is surprising given that titanium is heavier than aluminum. However, the added strength might be necessary to prevent bending in slimmer devices. Strangely, the Pro models may switch back to aluminum, likely for weight savings and easier machining of the rumored flat-edge chassis and camera bump design. Leak number 5 gives us a look at the entire color range across the iPhone 17 lineup, with as many as 15 colors expected. Notably, the iPhone 17 Air will come in sky blue, light gold, white, and black, offering a lighter and more polished palette due to the use of titanium, which is notoriously difficult to color deeply. Now, let's talk performance. The A19 chip is expected across all iPhone 17 models, reversing earlier reports that only the Air would feature it. Additionally, the iPhone 17 Pro and Air are both rumored to get 12GB of RAM, providing desktop-level performance that can handle demanding tasks and future AI features in iOS 26. For our 7th update, the Pro models are rumored to launch a new liquid glass finish, featuring a white base that reflects different colors depending on the light and angle. This dynamic, color-shifting design ties in with the fluid aesthetics of the upcoming iOS 26 interface, enhancing the synergy between hardware and software. And finally, Apple may be planning a smaller dynamic island, shrinking the pill-shaped cutout and eventually replacing it with a single hole-punch camera. There are also whispers of an upgraded camera system that can record using both front and rear cameras at the same time, possibly in 8K resolution, making it a powerful tool for content creators. With these 8 incredible upgrades, Apple's iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be a revolutionary step forward, combining fresh looks, real performance gains, and smart user-centric changes. Whether you're here for the faster wireless charging, new chipset, color options, or camera innovations, the iPhone 17 looks like it could be the most refined iPhone lineup to date. Don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more tech leak breakdowns, rumor deep dives, and hands-on analysis as we get closer to Apple's official keynote. Let us know in the comments what your favorite iPhone 17 leak is, and which one you're most looking forward to when it officially launches. Stay tuned for more.